What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video, I'm got a new challenge. Okay, so I've seen this video on YouTube. The guy doing a challenge going from $1 to $25 in just 5 trades. Okay, I was like, interesting. So it's just 5 trades. So we just gotta win 5 trades. So how are we gonna go from $1 to $25 is just compounding. Okay, all you gotta do is find the right trades and compound your gains. Okay, obviously this is going to be my sixth try. Okay, I tried 5 times already, and I managed to go all the way to 3 trades in a row. Okay, so this is going to be my sixth time trying this trade. Okay, so I was like, man, I gotta get it done now. Okay, so let's get to it. Right, so I missed the opportunity right there. Okay, so I'm going to leave this one alone. So in the meantime, we're going to flick for a new opportunity. I'm going to pause the video here. Whenever I find a good trade or a potential good trade, I will press record and continue the video. Okay, guys, I think I found one. So I'm going to add, instead of 40 seconds, I'm going to add 1 minute and 40 seconds because I really believe that this one had a dump and now it's going to go back up. As you can see right here, it's on the uptrend. So we're just having a pullback probably. And then from here, we are going to go back up. Okay, so hopefully if that's the case, we're going to take a higher position on this one. And if it doesn't go up, never mind. All right, so we're gonna leave it alone and move on to the next one. And I'm gonna be real with y'all. It's 1929 and seems like there is not many opportunities around. Okay, guys, all the charts they look super choppy. Okay, so it's very hard to trade in choppy charts. So when that's the case, you know, you might as well leave it alone, call it a day, and try again tomorrow, or at least at working times. Okay, while the markets are open. Okay, so this one is choppy. So I still believe that it's gonna go up, but seems like it's gonna do some consolidation before starting to go up. Okay, yeah, seems like buyers are stepping in. Okay, price is struggling to go up still, right? So it still seems like it's gonna consolidate a little bit more. Okay, and then from there, buyers will step in and price will spike up. Okay, so in the meantime, I'm gonna add an extra minute, so 2 minutes and 40 seconds, because I'm confident on this one, right? So it might take a while. So in the meantime, we are going to look for a new entry, okay? Because we're going to make 192 from this one, and then let me look for a new opportunity. Okay, guys, so we got 20 seconds on that trade, as you can see right there. So let me flick it, and I already have another one in mind. As you can see right here, I was right about this trade, and it's clearly reversing and going up. Okay, so we're going to make 192 right there. So 192. 1.92, boom, right there, done. Okay, let me go back to American Express. So over here on American Express, I really believe the price is gonna go back up, okay, even though it's on a downtrend, right? So it's been consolidating right there, boom, 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 boom. Okay, so if price breaks below this one, most likely it's gonna be a continuation on the downside. But if it fails to break and the buyer step in, we're most likely going to have a chance to see the price going up. All right, so now it's just a moment of waiting. Okay, so again, this one, I'm not going to add 2 minutes, I'm going to add 1 minute. Okay, price is continuing to go down, so I'm no longer going to trade this trade. Okay, we got this one, even though this one is going to be a little bit risky, we're going to take in. All right, and seems like we got in at the wrong time. Because it seems like the RSI is reversing, the price is reversing, but I'm still confident in this one, so I'm going to roll over because I really believe the price will have a continuation to the upside because bottom right there, and then from there, it's going to go up. All right, so you're just playing games right now, but I strongly believe that the price will go back up. Okay, we just gotta wait and see. We got 45 seconds. That's why I decided to roll over. Okay. Sometimes it's good to roll over if you are sure that the price is gonna go to your side. Because if it's going to the wrong side, you're gonna lose twice. Okay. So instead of losing 192, I would lose, I can potentially lose 384, okay? So be very careful every time you roll over. Double ups, I don't really do double ups. So double ups is if you want to add another trade on the current time. So for example, if you know that it's going to guarantee and you're going to place an entry over here, you can double up and secure that win, okay? So this was a close call, but I'm glad I um, did roll over because we won that trade, okay? So we won 737. That was the second win. Okay, so we have, well, if we win this one and the other next one, that's it. Okay, so we got 2 wins. We just got potentially 2 more wins. Okay, so we are close. Okay, we got an opportunity right here. So we're gonna take the, oh damn, I took the entry too late. So I might have to roll over this one to try to secure this win. Otherwise, it will gonna be a big loss. See, the time I was pressing record and pressing buy, so I'm gonna roll over. So it's all or nothing, okay? So hopefully this one is gonna be a profitable one. And if we win this one, that's it. We're gonna make 28.30 cents, okay? 28 bucks and 30 cents. But if not, game over, right? And this is gonna be my sixth time try this challenge 1 to 25 bucks, okay? So we got 40 seconds to go. So hopefully price will come all the way down to here, and then from there, we are going to secure this challenge and win this challenge. Okay, $1 to 25 bucks. Okay, in a few minutes. All right, so I would say I spent probably half an hour over here, half an hour, 40 minutes. So we got 20 seconds to go. And come on, come on, come on, keep going down. No. Oh, don't tell me you're going to lose this one. Jeez, we are so close. So we got 9 seconds, 8 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Yes, we did it. We did it. So it only took us 1, 2, 3 trades, okay? 3 trades to go from $1 to $25. But like I said to you, I'm gonna keep it real with you. This is my demo account, and this is my 6th time that I'm trying this challenge, okay? So I've managed to unlock this challenge at the 6th time, okay, guys? It is doable, right? It is doable. Obviously, you need more than $1. So you cannot deposit your account with $1. So for example, if you deposit $100, okay, um, you will have $100 and started with $1. Obviously, these 2 trades, I doubled up because I was confident about those trades. Okay, that's why I doubled up. Because if I wasn't confident, I would just let it burn and lose the challenge. Okay, because I was confident that the price would go my favorite, I decided to double up. Okay, guys. So maybe I was lucky, maybe I wasn't. Okay, either way, I managed to unlock this challenge. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna call it a day because the market it's crazy, right? It's crazy, and as you can see, it's very choppy. I don't like when the market is too choppy, okay, guys? As you can see right here, very choppy. So I don't like it when it's like this, all right? So I'm gonna call it a day. I just recorded this video because also I'm testing the RSI, because as you can see right here, now I've got the RSI, so I'm testing it out, see how it goes, okay? So as you can see right here, it feels like I can place a trade over here. So we want 28 something. 28.30, okay? So let's see if we can double up this 28.30. So as you can see right here, RSI is showing a good sign. And probably, let's go. Probably gonna have to roll over. But RSI is showing a reverse. And also I can see a reverse over here. Most likely I'm gonna have to roll over, okay, to secure this trade. And let's let it burn. So we got 20 seconds to go. If we win this trade, we're going to make 56 bucks. Okay. If we lose this trade, we lose the challenge. Okay. So 7 seconds, 6 seconds. 3, 2, what's going on? Boom. Okay. We secured that trade. So we made 50.66. Okay, by the way, matter of fact, let's continue and let's see how far I can go without losing. Okay, because this is my one, two, three, fourth trade in a row. Okay, so fourth trade in a row, and I'm glad I didn't roll over. Okay, I'm glad I did not roll over. So let me flick it through and let's see if I can find a new. Got a new trade right here. Okay, I'm confident about this one. I feel like this one is going to go down. It's going to be in our favor. Hopefully, we're going to make another profit on this one. And if we do make profits, we're going to be in about 100 bucks. So we're going to roll over. But if not, we're going to lose 100 bucks. Okay, this is the demo count. So we got 50 seconds. So buyers are trying to step in to push the price up, but sellers are coming in strong and they're gonna break the system, okay? Because sellers will have to push the price down below this limit right here, and from there we're gonna secure this profit, okay? So let's see what happens, okay? So we got 30 seconds to go, and seems like we are going to lose these trades. So that just shows that, guys, when you have profits, just secure that profit. Don't be greedy, okay? Again, lucky me, I'm using my demo account. Otherwise, I'll be like, damn, I just made 50 bucks and I just lost 100 bucks, okay? So keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. Price is reversing. It's going to be a close call. You just need a long wick, but he's not going to cut it. If I had a little bit more time, I would have won this trade, most likely. Okay? Because, yeah, I still believe that the price is going to continue, it's going to go down. All right? So I really believe that. So we're just going to wait and see. All right? So the price is consolidating a little bit, but it's going to push down. RSI is also indicating that price is going down. But anyway, guys, I've managed to unlock the challenge, which was um, to achieve the 25 bucks. So I went all the way to 28 bucks. Okay, again, this is my demo account. So tomorrow I'll come back over here in a different time zone because this time is 1949. The markets are very volatile. The charts are very volatile. I don't like it. Okay, so tomorrow or some other time I will come back at the different time zone to try it out, at different time zones, because sometimes you just gotta try to catch different time zones because prices are more favorable on those zones. Okay, but yes, challenge unlocked. So next time I'm going to try to go for 100 bucks. Okay, so that being said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.